Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome back to my channel. I have a vanity reveal video today. I got my dream vanity and I just wanted to show you how it looks like, what I currently have, just like a quick overview. And yeah, so that's what this video will be about. Today is December 31st. So I worked a little bit today and then I just, started getting ready to just film this video. So yeah, so after debating for literally over a year or maybe even 2 years, I finally just decided to just get this one. And there's a couple of reasons for it. So this is what the vanity looks like. Just absolutely stunning, right? I just love this vanity. And the reason why I was debating is because I needed a lot of drawers, and this one definitely has a lot, but also I wanted a mirrored vanity, and also I didn't want it to look so boxy. I wanted my vanity to have like a really nice shape, like maybe Victorian combined with mirrored, but that was very hard to find. So anyway, long story short, I just thought that this absolutely suited my absolute needs. All right, so first off, my makeup vanity is from Pearl's Vanity. So I just decided to get it online on their website. So this is an overview. So yes, the vanity, I ordered it with the mirror, and yeah, it's just absolutely precious. Nothing here got broken, so all the mirror is good and intact. All the knobs were in great condition, obviously brand new and all. The bulbs also great condition. Everything was packaged very professionally, very smart, the way they packaged everything, even the light bulbs. But yeah, so just to give you an overview what's on top of my vanity, these are all my perfumes. I have some in the bathroom. My splashes are in the bathroom too, and I have another box on one of the shelves, but this is mainly my go-to perfumes. I have lip oils, my lip balm, hairbrush, which I showed in a travel haul recently. I washed these two makeup brushes, eyeshadow brushes from MAC. All these very dark eyeshadows today, and I just decided to wash them because I really like these and I use these a lot, so I just wanted to have them clean and ready for tomorrow. And this is my first carousel of makeup brushes. I have hair clips, which these are my favorite for when I'm blow drying my hair or whatever. Actually these go here, and yeah, all these are cleaned except these. I used these today, but literally 2 nights ago I cleaned all these brushes. It was like an hour, because including these two, this is my second carousel makeup brush thingy, and all these are newer brushes and I love all of these, you guys. Yeah, so these are the cotton candy, really pretty, and I got these on Amazon. Really nice. Anyway, and then this magazine I got recently. I've never even heard of this magazine before, but I love her and her character. I've not watched the series. I've just watched like little clips here and there of her kind of like overall personality, and I love it. So anyway, and I was looking at the magazine and I just actually liked it a lot, you guys, and I was like, absolutely, I'm getting this magazine. Here I have just some papers for the vanity, which I have to review. Here I have my professional blow dryer. It's old, but it works like brand new. But this is my mirror, vanity mirror that I got at Home Goods. Some touch-up makeup stuff that I have on the sides to touch up later. And then this is a coaster, Germany coaster. So yeah, so for now, that's all that I have in my vanity. This is how I intend to keep it. I don't want to have it dirty or filled with a lot of crap or anything. But yeah, so I used to store my makeup in the bathroom. I had some acrylic plastic, like acrylic clear drawers, but I threw those away. They were cracked. But yeah, let me go through this first drawer here. I'm just gonna go through the top 3 and then I'll just go down left and then right. So here I have all my skincare, at least 95% of it. There's a couple of other things in the bathroom that I haven't used yet, but this is pretty much what my go-to right now. So I always spray my face with rose water. Yeah, just something hydrating. And I have hair ties, beauty blenders, hair clip, my moisturizers of choice. This is the day, time, and nighttime. And then some eye drops and sunscreen. And then I have a backup of that serum. I have my serums here and acids. I also have lip balms because I just apply lip balms like 20,000 times a day. And also I have this moisturizer, which I feel like my skin doesn't really like it that much. I'm just gonna keep using the serums though. And then I have Origins here. This is an eye cream, which is alright. I don't like the orange stuff. I prefer the green mega mushrooms. I love this, you guys. I need a backup. And then these are cleaning pads, which I love. I'm loving this. And this is First Aid Beauty, the best. One of the best of the best. Anyway, and I got this little box from something that I got. Actually, this was TJ Maxx. It was a couple of hand creams. And I decided to just keep the box. Really pretty. The prettiest pink color. Here, yeah, I got this new insert actually today from Amazon, and I decided to like reorganize what I've got here. So yeah, this is just an overview. I have my Tom Ford bronzer, love and adore. It's the first time that I get and use some products from Westman Atelier, so I'm pretty new to the brand. So far so good. I'm not a huge fan of matte lipsticks, but these are really soft, kind of like more sultry, so I was really surprised and pleased. I have Charlotte Tilbury. This is brand new that I got in Christmas, which I will take out because I want to use that later tonight. And yeah, Too Faced, adore this palette. I'm running out of this, so I need more. I have those products and an overview. I have lipsticks, lip glosses, my foundations of like the bougie ones of choice, my brow product that I'm using. I love MSF always, and Medium Plus, and a couple of blushes that I love and adore. This is brand new. I'm so happy that I got this. I was about to not get it because I was like, I really don't need another highlighter, but I just actually decided to get it. I'm so happy I did. Great decision making of my end. And I do have Modern Mercury. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I love Modern Mercury. So yeah, so that's how Modern Mercury looks like. Precious highlighter. I wish they would redo it again, or similar ones. It's just the best highlighter ever. These are the lipsticks. And here I have my Dior ones. This is new from Amazon, like a glittery one. And then I have YSL, I have one Chanel, one Gucci. This is from Estee Lauder. This is one of my go-tos. I love this lipstick. It's actually so good. And I have one Tom Ford there in the bottom. MFix Plus, of course, you guys. And then here I have all these lipsticks. These are all my lip products, pretty much, the rest of them. And lip glosses, lip balms, and I have to organize this a bit better. I might do an insert here. The thing is that I cannot, you guys, because it will fall down. It's not tall enough. I mean, the drawer is not deep enough to have inserts that are standing, so it's a bit of a bummer, to be honest, because I wanted them to be standing all pretty, but I cannot. So I did order a couple of more inserts on Amazon. I have some arriving on Friday and others arriving on Sunday. So I ordered all my inserts on Amazon. Anyway, here I have some eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, I love these. Here I have more eyeshadow palettes. And then I have some eyeliners, mascara, pigments, and paint pots. Here I have foundations. I love this foundation from Neutrogena. And I have almost all the colors of the rainbow, you guys. Like, pretty much 30, 40, and 50. You know. Yeah, I have that. And travel stuff. Whitening kit. Samples. Here I have hair stuff. My hair, what are these called? These are the only ones that I will use. To be honest, I don't like any other types of hair ties. Yeah, I have a couple of clippies, another whitening system, and I have some bags that I definitely need for travel specifically. And here I have hair tools. Unfortunately, you know, my blower does not fit in here. The drawer will not close. So I would have liked if some of these were deep enough, especially the bottom ones. But whatever, it is what it is. Going back to this one, I have a couple of blushes and bronzers. I have some OG stuff. I love this. Okay, this is from the Venomous Villains collection from MAC. I love MAC, and their limited edition collections are just like so good. When they are good, they're good. Rhode, of course, I love these. I wish she would come out with more colors because I'm just obsessed, you guys. And I don't like the darker plum color, but I like, these are my favorite colors. So I have like pink in a box, I think. It's hot pink, piggy, and freckle. But yeah, I got this insert. Thing is that these blushes, like, this won't close, you guys. So see, I can't close it out. So I'm gonna have to store them like that. And then next, I have a couple of other palettes here. This is a blush palette. I only have two, which I don't really use that much, but they're really pretty colors. I love them. And I have the contour kit. I have more stuff here. Bronzers, powders, stickies. I have, these are for my laser system that I'm using. Really good stuff. And then these are for the shoes, for heels, to alleviate the pain. And then these are fashion tapes. Here I have all my nail stuff, like tools. This is my laser system that I'm using, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy that I got this, actually. These are foot file replacers, backups. And 2 empty, 2 boxes. I don't know why. I need to throw this away. And then here are some extra hardware for the vanity. And then this is my steamer. Yeah. Alright, so that is all that I have in my vanity, you guys. So yeah, so now the camera's on the vanity. So now you have this view of my work desk and my bookshelves. And then in this shelf, I have mostly like my bags there. But yeah, I love this vanity. I'm so happy that I got it. I had an overall good experience with Pearl's vanity. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I can do a more in-depth review of the vanity itself. I just wanted to show you an overview, but would I have more to say? Yes, I would have more to say. But overall, I'm just very happy with the overall outcome, because I also like the color gray of the vanity. So it is kind of like a glittery, shiny gray color, which is not a gray flat color. I don't like gray flat colors, but it's just, I didn't know that until I received it, and then I was like, oh my gosh, that it makes so much sense. It looks so much better with that gray glittery color, because the inside of the drawers are definitely that glittery color. Do you see that glittery color? That is what I mean. So it looks just great and fabulous, you guys. So yeah, so now I feel like I've completed my dream room. So it's workstation and makeup room and get ready room pretty much. So I'm just so happy with this vanity. It's just so precious and beautiful. I just love it. And I've always wanted a mirrored vanity specifically, and then I went back and forth if I wanted like a white wood vanity, but then I don't know, I just went with what I originally wanted, because then I think I would have regretted that later. The only thing I think I have left to do here is just put maybe like paintings or like wall decor. I was thinking like maybe somewhere in front of my work desk where I can stick papers on, or reminders, or like a huge calendar. Anyway, something like that, so I can have more of a visual of my to-do list throughout the year. And then I have gray curtains, but I might change them even though they're brand new, and they're great because they are specifically made to cover the sun, like sunblocking, because in summer it gets just super intensely sunny here and it gets dark at 10 p.m. Yeah, I might change the curtains because I saw a place on Instagram where they sell like these kind of like very pretty dreamy curtains, so I might change that. And also the carpet needs to change, which that will change in January. Also this door here of this closet, I need to change that too. It's just little by little. We're trying to paint and renovate ourselves, which sucks, but that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do it ourselves. If you're interested in seeing that process, let me know, because so far we only have one bedroom, well, 2 bedrooms including this one, and then the bathroom done, but now we have to do everything else, the living room. So let me know if you want to see that. I can record that if you are interested. Coming from a place where I personally like decoring and cleaning, I am not good at renovation or painting walls. I absolutely despise it. But yeah, if you want an in-depth makeup collection or in-depth vanity video, like review, let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Also, I have to say thank you for everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. I highly appreciate it, and I just love making new friends, people, especially like I want to make new female friends, also gay friends. I miss having gay friends, you guys. Before moving here, I used to have so many gay friends, and also fancy girlfriends that like to dress up, that like makeup, like the things that I like. Anyways, all in all, I just want to create a community that we can talk about different things, especially like, you know, outfits, fashion, and makeup. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a happy new year, and I hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you on the new year. Bye.